Packing a carry-on seems simple, until you realize you've made a huge mistake at airport security. Items get confiscated, delays happen, and frustration builds. These mistakes cost time, money, and sometimes even your entire trip's convenience. Here's what you should never pack in your carry-on to avoid unnecessary stress. Liquids over 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters. Security will flag any liquid over the TSA limit, forcing you to throw it away. This includes full-size shampoo, lotion, perfume, and even some beverages. Stick to travel-size containers under 3.4 ounces or transfer liquids into TSA-approved bottles. Sharp objects. Scissors, pocket knives, and even certain nail clippers won't make it through security. Anything with a blade over 2.36 inches or 6 centimeters will be confiscated. If you need these, pack them in checked luggage. Large electronics without easy access. Laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles must be removed for screening. Packing them at the bottom of your bag slows everything down. Keep them in an easy access pouch or separate laptop sleeve for quick removal. Overpacked or oversized bags. Airlines have strict size and weight restrictions. An overstuffed bag may not fit in the overhead bin, and gate agents can force you to check it, sometimes with a fee. Stick to the airline's carry-on size guidelines to avoid last-minute surprises. Firearms or self-defense items. Pepper spray, stun guns, and even certain keychains are banned from carry-ons. These will be confiscated immediately, and in some cases could lead to legal trouble. Always check airline regulations before flying with any self-defense tools. Prohibited food items. Soft cheeses, yogurt, soups, and sauces fall under the liquid rule. Even sealed jars of peanut butter or hummus count. Hard cheeses, solid snacks, and sandwiches are better alternatives. Unwrapped gifts. Security may need to inspect wrapped presents, which means unwrapping them in front of everyone. Instead, pack gifts unwrapped or use gift bags for easy access. Expensive or irreplaceable items in checked baggage instead of carry-on. While certain items shouldn't be in your carry-on, valuables like cash, jewelry, passports, and electronics should always be with you. Checked bags can be lost or delayed, so keep essentials in your carry-on at all times. Avoiding these packing mistakes makes security checks smoother, prevents last-minute surprises, and ensures stress-free travel. Stick to airline regulations, pack efficiently, and double-check restricted items before heading to the airport. Safe travels!